Do you know that more than 80% of Indians use their smartphones to make purchase decisions every single day? From ordering biryani on Swiggy to booking cabs on Ola, everything happens on mobile. So if you are a business owner, content creator or a future marketer, here's the truth. If you are not mastering mobile marketing, you are missing out on your biggest audience and huge sales. So in today's video, I am going to take you step by step through the entire world of mobile marketing, from what is it to how big brands like Zomato, Amazon and Dunzo are using it to skyrocket their sales, and how you can do it too. So let's begin. So first things first, what exactly is mobile marketing? Mobile marketing simply means reaching your customers through their mobile devices like smartphone and tablets using SMS, mobile ads, push notification, apps and even WhatsApp messages. It's all about meeting your audience where they already spend most of their time. And in India, that's clearly on mobile. The fun fact is, as per Statista, over 1 billion mobile connections are active in India. That's literally more than the total population of same continents. Let me tell you why mobile marketing is so powerful, especially in the Indian market. Imagine Ria, a 23-year-old college student in Pune. She wakes up, scrolls through Instagram, checks her WhatsApp, opens Swiggy for breakfast, and later shops on Myntra. Every single brand she interacts with is marketing to her through her phone, showing ads, offers, or personalized messages. Now multiply that behavior by 700 million smartphone users. That's the power of mobile marketing. Alright, now let's break down the key types of mobile marketing you need to know. These are your tools. First one, SMS marketing, sending offers or updates through text messages. For example, you have probably seen messages from Domino's, buy one get one free pizza today only. Second one, mobile app marketing, promoting through your own or other apps. For example, Flipkart pushing festive sale notifications. Third one, push notifications, instant alerts sent directly from an app. For example, Zomato reminding you about your favorite restaurant's discount. Fourth one, in-app advertising, ads inside other apps like seeing an Amazon ad while playing Ludo King. Fifth one, mobile friendly website, making sure your site looks great on phone. And last one is WhatsApp marketing, sending personalized products, updates or offers directly on WhatsApp. And trust me, in India, WhatsApp marketing is pure gold because people actually open and read those messages instantly and quickly. Now let's talk about something most marketers miss, the psychology behind mobile marketing. When people use their phones, they are emotionally connected, scrolling at night, relaxing, or looking for entertainment. That's why your mobile campaigns must feel personal and timely, not spammy. For example, think about Swiggy's push notifications. Hey foodie, biryani craving at 11 p.m. We got you. It's fun, relatable, and emotionally hits the right moment. That's why you open the app. So always remember, personalization plus timing equal to magic in mobile marketing. Let's see how some Indian brands have nailed in mobile marketing. First one, Zomato and Swiggy. Use push notification and memes to trigger cravings. Ola and Uber. Send personal SMS like your cab is 5 minutes away. Get 10% off if you book now. Third one, Flipkart. Runs massive mobile only sales like Big Billion Days, especially on their app. Fourth one, Byju. Uses retargeting ads to show continue your learning journey if you drop off mid lesson. These brands are not just advertising, they are creating an experience inside your phone to keep you remember it. Alright, now comes the part you have been waiting for. How can you create your own mobile marketing strategy? Yes, a simple 5-step formula. First one is understanding your audience, who they are, what apps they use when they are online. Second one, optimize your website for mobile, fast loading, clean design. Third one, collect phone numbers ethically. Use lead magnets like free guides or discounts. Fourth one, send value, not spam. Share tips, reminders, or deals people actually care about. Last one, track and analyze. Use Google Analytics, Firebase, or Apps Flyer to measure results. For example, if you are a local clothing store in Delhi, collect customer numbers, send WhatsApp updates about new arrivals, and run Instagram story ads targeting users within 5 kilometers. That's smart mobile marketing in action. Here are some must have tools for mobile marketers in India. For SMS marketing, use SMG91 or Text Local. For push notifications, use OneSignal or Firebase. For WhatsApp marketing, use WTI or Inter AKT. For mobile ads, use Google Ads or Meta Ads. For analytics, use Google Analytics, Mixpanel, or again Firebase. For mobile website texting, use Google Mobile Friendly Test. Start with free tools, experiments, and once you get results, scale up. Now, before you rush to launch your campaign, here are some mistakes most beginners make. First one, sending too many messages. People will block you or irritated by you. Second one, ignoring mobile design. If your site looks broken, users bounce off quickly. Third one, no clear call to action. Always tell people what to do next. Fourth one, not tracking performance. You can't improve what you don't measure. So, measure your tracking performance in Google Analytics, etc. For example, I once consulted a small cafe in Mumbai that sent 5 promotional messages a day. Within a week, 60% of customers unsubscribed. When they switched to just 2 personalized offers a week, engagement shot up by 300%. So the lesson is quality over quantity. Finally, let's talk about the future because mobile marketing in India just getting starting out. We are entering an era of voice search. People using Google Assistant in Hindi, AI chatbots on WhatsApp like Swiggy Genie, regional language ads, huge for tier 2 and tier 3 cities. Last year, a small sari boutique in Surat ran Gujarati language WhatsApp campaigns. Within a month, their sales tripled, not because of fancy hats, but because they connected in their customer's language. So, the future is personal, local, and mobile first. So, that's everything you need to know about mobile marketing, the most powerful weapon in digital marketing today. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment saying mobile marketing master. And if you want me to make a full tutorial on WhatsApp marketing next, just hit that like button and subscribe because we are just getting started on your digital marketing journey. Click this podcast to watch other episodes of this digital marketing masterclass. Until next time, keep learning, keep marketing, keep growing, and stay tuned for next episode. Cheers.